Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your social permission settings on the Pinterest app when using a PC with the latest update. First, open your Pinterest app from your computer. Once you're logged in and on your home page, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to access the app's Settings menu. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to your account's settings page where you can manage various options related to your Pinterest profile. Now, locate and select the Social Permissions section. Here you can review and adjust how your account interacts with other social features and connected apps. After you've made your desired changes in the Social Permissions area, look for the Reset button. Clicking this will reset your Social Permissions settings back to their default state. Once you click Reset, a confirmation prompt will appear. Be sure to approve this action to complete the reset process. That's it. Your social permissions settings on Pinterest have been successfully reset. This simple process helps to manage your privacy and social interaction preferences cleanly and quickly. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to update or tweak your permissions further. Staying in control of your social settings is key to a secure and enjoyable Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching.